Happy Saturday, everybody. This kitty's nice and warm inside. It's cold out here, snowing and blowing, and the kitty's nice and toasty. She's looking outside. What's Mama doing outside? That's her favorite spot, is looking out that window and seeing what's going on. Buttercup, what do you see outside? It's cold outside, little pussycat. Look at her, she's so sweet. She's like, Mama, it's cold, come inside and sit with me. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the snow and Buttercup. I will see you in my next video. God bless.